issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Callaway County, Kentucky, southwestern Trent County, Kentucky, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Murray, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour.
The National Weather Service has issued a severe thunderstorm warning for southeastern Callaway County, Kentucky, southwestern Trent County, Kentucky, until 3:15 p.m. At 2:20 p.m., a severe thunderstorm was located 8 miles south of Murray, moving northeast at 35 miles per hour. Expected hazards include 60 miles per hour wind gusts and quarter-size hail. This is a radar-indicated threat. The following impacts are expected. Hail damage to vehicles is expected. Expect wind damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations of practice include Wrangler's Campground, land between the Lake area, Hazel, Linton, New Concord, and Crossland. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 3:15 p.m. for the following counties in Kentucky, Callaway, and Trent.